All right. Well, here we are. I think I'm going to check this to make sure that this is actually running before I continue onward. Because if it's not running, then that'd be a problem. Oh, that's the wrong one. I should go into here. There we go. There we go. It says that it's running and it's live, so that's good. All right, so I'm just behind the times. All right, so here we go. Here and this one. So we have some medium problems. We're going to find the list below shows the number of songs that Drew has purchased each month. So you need to put these numbers in order: 28, 40, 47, 40, 52, 51, 60, and then we find the middle. So since there's 7 of them, the middle is 48. Median. Likewise, in the next problem, these numbers in order: that's 6, 6, 8, 10, 10, 16, and it says what's the median? So 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 numbers, which means we're in the middle of 9, well, middle of 8 and 10, which is 9. But then the rest, how can we even change if we were at 15 there? Now we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 numbers, which makes the middle of 10. So it's 10 because we now have 9 numbers. All right, let's see what else happens here. This table, there are 22 dots. This means that the median is going to be between the 11th and the 12th dot. So 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. There's 11 and 12 right there. And both of them are in the 1 column. So 1 plus 1 divided by 2 is still 1. So it is 1. Then this last problem for this page, what we're doing here is we're taking the frequency of these. So we're going to go 3, 3, 4, 4, 4, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 7, 7, 7, 7, 7, 8, 8, 8, 8, and then 9. And if we look at these numbers, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 26, 27, 28. 8 numbers, we want the 14. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 14, and 15. Right there, that makes our median 6. Page. Why that happened, I'll argue. So it says use the data in the dot plot to complete the drawing. So the lower extreme is 4. The first quartile is 7. The median is 9. The third quartile is 13. The extreme is 18. So we do the same thing with this set of data here. We break this apart right here in the middle. The middle of 38 and 42, 30 plus 42 divided by 2 is 40. So there's our median. Our lower extreme is 20. Our upper extreme is 48. Now we need the middle of the lower half. So that's 6 plus 4. So that's 2. In the middle of the upper half is 42 plus 46 divided by 2. That's 4. We connect the top and first 2 points and the last 2 points with lines, segments, and then we make a box for the middle. So that's what our box plot looks like. We want to make another box plot here. These are all in order. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Our middle is right here. Middle of 16 and 18 is 17. Low end is 10. Upper end is 30. The middle of the lower half is 14. The middle of the upper half is 24. So again, we do dots. We do likewise. We make a box. Dots. There we go. What range of values represents the middle 50%? That's the box. So from 14 to 24. Describe what would happen if you toss 32 in here. So if you toss 32 in here, the lower extreme still gets the same. It's still 10. As far as things go, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. We now have 11 numbers. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So our median is now 18. 1, 2, 3. Our first quartile remains the same. Third quartile, 1, 2, 3. This middle right there is now 27. Yeah, 2. Next page. The IQR. The IQR is lengthened. So however long this box is however long the IQR is. So 13 minus 7 is 6. These scores have to be put in order. 84, 88, 88, 90, 90, 92, 94, 100. And it says what's the IQR? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That means that our middle value 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's remember 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 6, 7, 8. I've got an extra number. Why do I have an 80? Oh, that's because of the next question. I didn't realize that early. So this is 8 numbers here. So that's the middle of those 8 numbers is right here at 90. And then I need the middle of that, which is 88. So that's the Q1. And over here, the middle of this is 93. So Q3 is 93. So we got 93 minus 88. That gives us an IQR of 5. Whoops. Now I come back here, and now I toss on an 80 and 100, and we talk about the change. The 2 new scores are extremes. Quartile 1. Well, let's see. The median doesn't change here. That stays the same. So quartile is still 88 because it's this 88 in particular. So quartile 3, let's see. 1. So 1, 2, 3. Quartile 3 now it's 94, so that changes. And so that means that we're now having a new IQR of 94 minus 88, which is 6. So the IQR increases to 6. Going down here, the range is not the range of the grid. It's how far 64 is from 32. 64 is 32. It is 32. And the IQR is how far it is from 58 to 40, which is 18. For all of these little IQRs here, the middle of each of these sets is right here. So we're looking at 40.5 and 47.5. That's an IQR of 7. Here we've got 47 and 54.5. That can't be 8. Here we've got 45 and 55. That is 10. And then Here we have down here, we have 47.5 and we have 55.5. And so when we subtract those, that's going to be 8. So it's on the mean now. When you add these scores up and divide by 8, let's see if I've included it. No, I just did it. So adding all the scores up and dividing by 8, you will get 166. When you add all these scores up and divide them by 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, you will get 12.7 when you round to the nearest 10. This next one, you've got to add up 1, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 7, 9, 10, 11, 11, 12, 12. So you're adding up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 numbers. And you divide, add up all those numbers and you get 6.6. This next problem is one of those backwards ones. We go 6. Because we want 6 quiz to mean of 92. So we go 6 times 92. That gives us 2 here at the end. That would be 502. And then when you add these up, you're going to get, I'm trying to look backwards here, 454. And when you subtract these two, you get 98. And adding all these numbers up and dividing by the number of numbers, you should have gotten 61.75. And the median of these numbers, which are not in order, the median falls between 59 and 61, which makes it 60. Also, 47, 52, 53, 59, 61, 63, 75, 84. Puts it right here. The number between 59 and 61 is 60. What happens if the mean of 91 is added to the set? What happens if the means if 91 is added to the data? So if 91 is added to that data, you add all the numbers up, and now you divide, instead of dividing by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, you divide by 9. And so what happens is the mean is going to increase to 65 because some of the values in the number of the values increases. So last page. Again, this would be find the mean. So add this up, divide by the number of numbers. When we find that mean, you're going to get a sum of 100. You divide by 105. You get it. Now you compare each of these. You go 18 is 2 away from 20. 23 is 3 away. 16 is 4 away. 25 is 5 away. 18 is 2 away. And then you divide this by 5, and you get 3.2. That is our math. And the way that we just did that was we found the sum of the absolute values of the differences between the mean and each point, and then divided by the number of data. That's exactly what we did. So when we go to do this next problem, you need to find the mean and then the math. Well, Murray's mean is 43. Brian's mean is also 43. So Murray and Brian have identical means. But then Murray's math. When you do the computation here, you get 5 plus 3 plus 1 plus 7 plus 7 plus 1 plus 2. You divide that by the number, which is 7, and you get 71. So that's correct. When you do this with Brian's mean, you get mean math. You get 9.43. That is over double of Murray's math, so that's not. And Murray's data does not have an outline, so that's not. Last things here, when you find your mean here, your mean is 75, but it's asking for the math. So when you do your math, you're going to be away, 5 away, 17 away, 1 away, 9 away, 35 away, 11 away, and 21 away. You add all these up and then divide by the number of numbers, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You wind up with 14. Now, if you add a 39 into this mess, that means that you're going to have one more number in there. You're going to have a new mean, and you're going to have a new mad. And so what will happen is the mad will decrease to 12 because the sum of the deviations is smaller while the number of values increased. So again, you would get your new mean by adding all these up and dividing by the number of numbers, and then you get your new mad by adding one more difference to this and changing that to 9. So all in all, these are things that you guys can do. I believe in you, and I hope that you guys do. Thanks.